today I had a scheduled flight for New York to attend the Times Magazine's gala for the 100 influential emerging leaders of the world. However, I was unjustly stopped in the Karachi International Airport by the FIA officials. They haven't given me any explanation. They have took my passport and my name is not in the ECL. They are not even responding to my queries. I think this is just an act to silence the genuine Baloch voices, because there was not a legitimate purpose to prevent my my travel, just to silence the Baloch voices internationally, to conceal the 2 decades long genocide and the human rights violation back in Balochistan. Because in Balochistan, no media and can ever have the right and competency to reveal what's happening in Balochistan. So the human rights defenders are now prevented for their advocacy in human rights. And we believe that it will worsen the situation in Balochistan. We will fight back. We will expose the state crimes back in Balochistan.